Hey DIY decorators! I hate to toss my scrap wood pieces, so today on Make Your Mark, I am going to show you how to make a scrap wood mirror. And I'm even going to show you how to stain these wood pieces with Americana acrylic. So there's no need to go out and buy a big quart of colorful stain. You can make your own wood stains easily with Americana acrylics. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. And I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a scrap wood mirror. The wonderful thing about a scrap wood project is that you can use anything you have, and if you mess up, it's only scrap wood. These particular pieces were slats from a discarded bed frame. I'm a huge fan of intense color, but I wanted to tone it down a bit for this piece, so watering down the Americana acrylics to use as stains was the perfect solution. You'll want to make sure that the triangular pieces overlap the traced mirror guideline. The mirror is going to lay on top of the wood, and this way you don't have to worry about creating a perfectly straight line along the mirror edge. There's no rhyme or reason to this part, you just have to make sure you have enough pieces to go around the edge of the mirror and keep experimenting until you're happy with the shape. Amazing Goop 2 Max is one of my favorite glues from Eclectic Products to use for wood projects. The bond is equal, if not better, than using actual nails. Hey everyone, I would love it if you thumbs up this video and say hello in the comments if you have a second. I love knowing that you're out there. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the big ass book of home decor. And I will see you next week. Bye.